Hello and welcome to your Trello board. Okay, we are so excited to have you here. And first off, I just want to say the reason why we put this into our Trello board, really, Trello is one of the most simple project management tools that you can possibly use. But it is so versatile, and you're going to see all the different ways that we can use it as you get access to the other Trello boards. But we really wanted you to start getting used to this because again, the whole point is to have everything in one place so that it's really, really easy for you to manage your day, manage your tasks, follow up with your customers, do your content. Like literally everything is going to be in one place. And you will see exactly what we mean as you move through this system and this process and you get access to all the different things. But we wanted to kind of get you warmed up to Trello. Hopefully you had no issue getting set up with your email and your password. It's pretty straightforward. And you can totally go on YouTube and go down the rabbit hole of Trello board land. There's so many different uses for this system. A lot of people use it for content creation. I have been using Trello in my business for years. I absolutely love it. It helps me to stay organized. I also use things like Asana, but that's like way advanced. Monday.com, way advanced. And I just think Trello is more aesthetically pleasing. It's easy. And you're going to see as you get access to the other boards, you're going to see how easy it is to like just move things around, right? So it's really awesome. Now, you're not going to have to move anything around here. This is your foundational board to get you set up for success. So right now you are in the Start Here video tutorial. What we want you to do is just go in order, right? So first you're going to go through your first steps, right? So this is a list of your first step. And each individual thing here is called a card. So you're just going to want to click on it, right? So the next thing you want to do after this video is go over to, again, this your first steps, go to the first card. Okay, getting set up. Hey, I'm going to log into my back office. There's the back office link. There's some notes. Hey, step number 2, we want you to watch this fast start training. There's some notes for you to read through. The video is linked right here, right? You just click on it. Step number 3, getting your links to share. Obviously, that's going to be really important for you to share your shopping website, your quiz link, all of the different things. If somebody wants to enroll with you, you're going to want that link, and just getting a place to save that so that it's quickly accessible for you. And then just giving you an example of what the links should look like. When you're done, all you have to do, if you could see my mouse here, you just have to click out. If you don't want to click out, you can scroll back to the top. You can click the X. These are all the different things that you can do with the cards, but you don't have to do anything. If it's going to make your brain easier to look at everything here, and you say, you know what, I went through this, I went through my first step here, I got set up, I don't want to see this card anymore, you can click archive and it'll just make it disappear. That's up to you. But if you ever want to like go back to this and just like reset yourself, once you get set up, you're not going to really need to go back to any of this except for like your vision, your affirmations, like this, you're not going to want to get rid of. But if you want to get rid of getting set up, getting plugged in, whatever you want to do, this is yours. This is the master, but you're getting a link and it's going to be yours. So you can do whatever you want. I don't touch mine. I have it set up this way so that I can go back and look at anything that I ever want. So when you're finished with that, you're going to go to the next card, getting plugged in. All right, let's get you plugged into the team chats. Let's get you plugged into the Facebook groups. There's a description for what they are. And let's get you plugged into our weekly calls. Okay, so once you go through all of that, again, you can click out of here or scroll up and click the X. Boom. Okay, now this is just some helpful information about the brand and the mission here at Olive Tree People. Oh, let me just hit save here, if you saw that little message up there. So yes, if you click on this, if you double click on it, you're more than welcome to go in there and type if you want to, but really there's no need for you. Like this is really just more informative in these first couple steps, but you will want to be using this to type into if you don't want to use your journal or anything. You'll see once you go through everything here. Here's some good to know information. Here's how to maximize your paycheck. Here's some helpful links. I mean, If you're new to network marketing, we've got a training in there for you. If, we've got the professional flat lay photos that you can have access to by professional photographers within our organization. We have different links to help you understand what sets us apart, what we stand for. The digital product catalog is such a game changer. I use that a lot, especially with my clients who are ordering. I will sometimes screenshot, that part of the product catalog, and I will put together a little, based on what they order, I may put together a series of photos for them to see what the product is, what the benefits are, what the ingredients are. I use that a lot. The brand overview and pitch deck. We have email templates for you here. Like, we have so much to help you. So then once you go through that, we want you to go through all of that. That's like the super basic foundational stuff that, we were given when we first started. Now we're going to move into the success system here, right? So and you could scroll over if you would like to kind of just get rid of that. So the success mindset, you're going to be walking through each one of these. You're going to walk through your vision. There's a training video here for you. There's an exercise. And if you want to type what you're doing in here, all you have to do is literally type. So if you're using your laptop, you can download the Trello app on your phone and you can use it on your phone. This specific card also has a PDF to help you dig more into your why and your vision. And it's so important not to skip over this stuff, you guys. Like, it's so easy to want to be like, man, that stuff doesn't matter. I am telling you, as somebody who has paid tens and tens of thousands of dollars for coaching, do not skip over this stuff. Please do not. This stuff is so important. Okay, so how strong is your belief? There's another training video there, a little exercise for you to do, some affirmations. This is a really great training, and some resources for you here to have. And then you're just going to want to go through there's just some other really, really valuable things like time management, how to treat your business like a business. We try to source the most simple yet transformative videos in there for you. So hopefully you find that really valuable. And really, the next thing that you're going to want to do, we should really put this over here. Your next steps is to schedule your strategy session and then start your launch plan posts. And you can click into all of these. You're going to see, like, we're giving you so many examples, like literally giving you examples, the purpose of the post, what the examples are. You just go through day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way through day 10. Then we have even more content for you. And once you get on your strategy session with your upline is going to want to go over, like, why are you here? What are your goals? What time commitment do you have to make to this business, and all of the things, right? To set you up for success, see where you're at, see what you want to do, do you want to crawl, walk, run, sprint, whatever, so that they can support you. So make sure you schedule your strategy session with your upline, connect with your team, all of the things. And while you're waiting to get on that session, or before you even schedule it, you can hop on over here as soon as you're ready. And, as soon as you want to start posting, this is here for you. This is your launch plan, all designed around attraction marketing. So once you get on your strategy session with your upline, you are going to get access to the other Trello boards. That is then going to take you through the next amazing steps. And I have them written down right here. So we've got, your niche, your target audience, and, the offer that, what sets you apart, what makes you unique. Then we're going to go into messaging. So we're going to be going into content. We're going to be going into strategy. We're going to be giving you so much to help you. And then we also have Trello boards for confident conversations, doing reach outs, all of the things to help you. Like, all we want to do is help you know exactly what to do and in what manner to do it to have the most success. And then leadership, customer service, so many things, product knowledge. We have a whole product knowledge board for you to refer to, and just make your life so much easier. You guys are going to love this. We are so obsessed with this, and we love this so much here on our team. So, okay, that is all. I wanted to keep this short and sweet and let you dive in and have fun. I cannot wait to connect with you and get to know you a little bit more.